Hey everyone, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to replace Cash App card. So this is going to be for those individuals who maybe your Cash App card has expired or maybe you just happen to lose yours. So what you want to actually go ahead and do first is click on the Cash App icon and have it installed. And then afterwards, you're going to reach a home page that looks like this one here. Now on the bottom left hand side where you see the home icon, go ahead and click on the card icon right next to it. And this is going to be where you access your card. And as you can see, my card is expired, so I'm going to need to replace the card. So under replace a card, you're going to need to actually click on order a new card. And then from here, you can either use your current design or design a new card. So in my case, I'm going to actually go ahead and use the current design and just go ahead and ignore that warning. But from here, you just need to choose a style. Keep in mind that the metal cards are going to cost about $50. So I would recommend just choosing like a regular black card or white card just so you can save some money. So I'm going to go ahead and choose the black card. And then from here, click on order card. And then afterwards, you're going to ask you where should we send your card. So you just need to enter your address over here. Click on next. And then afterwards, you're just going to get a total review of your order. So you can see that the funding source is going to be my Cash App balance. The card is $0, shipping $0, tax is $0, and total amount is $0. From here, just go ahead and click on confirm order, and then you should go ahead and they'll mail over a new replacement card for you. So that is how to replace a Cash App card. And also, if you haven't signed up for Cash App just yet, you can use my link down below to get $5 when you do sign up. And if you know of a better way to actually go ahead and replace your Cash App card, let me know in the comments down below. But thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.